What's going on, y'all? Meatless Monday, once again in full effect, and we doing burgers, y'all. Mushroom burgers. And they're gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So first thing first, let's go ahead and get our onion diced, y'all. Diced, not chopped, diced. So we gonna make our 2 cuts. Cut all the way across. And then do a chopping motion so we can get a beautiful diced onion. Now that onion is for our marinade. So we gonna get our onion into our pan. Now this is the old pot pan. And we gonna add approximately 2 heaping tablespoons of soy sauce. To that, we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic. Then I'm gonna run through my garlic press. Get all that goodness, y'all. Get all of it. Then we're gonna go ahead and rain on. Hit it with a little salt and pepper. Now we're gonna add a half cup of water. And we're gonna give that a mix and mix. Now as far as our mushroom, we're just gonna remove that stem and add that mushroom to that marinade, y'all. That's all. That's all. But I will be honest about this. I should have done this in just a Ziploc bag, because it really don't make no sense for this step. Because now we're gonna go ahead and get this into a Ziploc bag. I should have mixed this in a Ziploc bag. I wouldn't have as much cleanup, and everything would have worked out just the same. So you can skip that step, mixing it in a container. Just do it in a Ziploc bag and shake it around. Make sure you get a good mix of it. That's all. But anyway, let's get the rest of our onions into our Ziploc bag. And then we still gonna mix it up a bit. We're gonna try to get as much air out of this bag as we can, so that marinade be all over the mushrooms. Now you can also use a vacuum seal bag, but I know when you vacuum seal down things, sometimes you tend to crush them, so I didn't want to do that. So yeah, y'all, we gonna let this marinate for about 2 hours, and then hey, you know, once it marinates, gotta get it on that grill. Now the secret to this sandwich, you gotta understand, this is a portobello mushroom. Biggest thing you want to do is make sure you get a good press on it, because you want a good sear on both sides, flatten it out, make it a little bit more medium. And that's what we doing here, y'all. That's what we doing here. So after about 2 or 3 minutes of steady pressure each side, because you want to keep pressure on there. I wish I would have went outside and got me a brick, but that's okay. You can go ahead and get us a flippy flip, because you can always use a brick and some aluminum foil for that press. Give that weight. After we give that flippy flip, hey, we pretty much done, y'all. We just gonna move both mushrooms over to the center of one side. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. Then we gonna get our buns on. top buns on first. And all we doing is toasting them, y'all. And by the time them buns get toasted, the mushrooms be ready to come off and get that cheese slice on. So let's get the mushrooms on that bun. Now, as always, you can use the cheese of your choosing. But hey, I found that American cheese is pretty tasty on here. Really is. Make a beautiful mushroom sandwich. And hey, for me, I'm putting me a little fresh onion on top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Talk about tasty, y'all. Talk about tasty. But anyway, let's get them buns on. And guess what? Guess what? It's time to plate up, y'all. It's time to plate up. And look at that burger there. That mushroom burger. Meatless. Meatless Monday, y'all. Meatless Monday. But anyway, I had mine with some air fried potatoes or French fries. Let's check out that cross section. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, let me give that a taste. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.